Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my fifth algorithm, and in this video we will be seeing that if we are given a number, whether that number is an Armstrong number or not. So what is an Armstrong number? So let's say we are given a number of 153. The length of the number is 3, 1, 2 and 3, right? So to calculate that whether a number is an Armstrong number, you would raise each digit 1 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. Pi raised to power 3 because the length of the number is 3. For example, if the length of the number was 4, 1, 5, 3, 4, then we would have done 1 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 4 and 4 raised to power 4, right? Now since we are given the number of 153 and the length is 153, we need to find the sum. I am first explaining to you what is Armstrong number. So 1 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3. So 1 raised to power 3 is 1, 5 raised to power 3 is 125 and 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 1 plus 125 plus 27 it equals to 153. This 153, this sum is equal to the original number itself. So 153 is an Armstrong number. However, if the original number was 1534, then since the length of the number has now been changed to 4, so we would do 1 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 4 and we would add 4 raised to power 4. Now 1 raised to power 4 is 1, 5 raised to power 4 is 625, 3 raised to power 4 is 81 and 4 raised to power 4 is 256, and the sum would turn out to be 963. Now this 963 is not equal to the number 1534, hence we can conclude that 1534 is not an Armstrong number. Now we come back and we make an algorithm for it, right? So we are given a number of 153, right? We need to convert it into a string. String of number is equal to str, we put in the number. Then we need to find the sum of digits also. We make a variable sum of digits. Then we make a for loop for I in string number, right? Then we find the sum. Sum digits is equal to sum digits plus int of I. We need to make it into an int because whatever we are getting in I, it is a string. So we need to convert it into an integer and we need to raise it to the power of len of string number. The length of the string is 3, okay? So we print the sum digits. Now when the for loop is completed, we check if the sum digits is equal to the original number, then we conclude that it's an Armstrong number, and if it is not the case, then we say it's not an Armstrong number. Now I click play. Now as you can see that it is an Armstrong number because the final sum is 153. I can also in line number 13 I can de-indent it to find the final sum of digits. So the final sum is 153 and this 153 sum is equal to the original number itself. So we conclude that it is an Armstrong number. Likewise, like if the number is 1534, so the final sum is 963 and this 963 is not equal to the original number itself. This if condition is not true and the else condition is true, and it prints out it's not an Armstrong number. Hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.